Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it. Who's ready for today live streaming? Guys, before we go further, remember our live streaming, our content is for educational purposes only. And we're not financial advisor, and nothing shared here is should be taken as a financial advice. Trading involving a significant risk. So from this disclaimer, let us start our significant day. Yeah, today look fantastic for GNPX. This stock was on our watch list today, and of course we did the short for it earlier for this interesting jump. As you can see here, the best entry was around the 35 before jumping toward the 56. Hit two profit taken, and now it's pulling back down after hitting the 61. Good morning, everybody. Let me just adjust the support for it because now it's pulling back a bit. This is completely normal because yes, we've got a good jump. Now it's putting back down a little bit. So good morning, everybody. Welcome, Lizzie, Martinopolo. Good morning, Abhi, Jean. Where's George? George, where are you? I'm gonna check your request to stock. I put it first. But I will wait for you to come here. Okay, we got SPRC and Omar. Good morning. George is here. Perfect. VNET. You asked me about VNET. I will check it out for you in a bit. Let me just check those stocks. I'm gonna delete this one. AQMS doing fantastic as well. We traded it yesterday. It was perfect trade yesterday, and now the pulling back down from the resistance. What else? We got seed BNKK from yesterday, hit our profit taken. URGO, nope. TMQ doing still okay. NUAI looking great. Yeah, jumping really good. Okay. We got OMER doing crazy good. We got SPRC not that good. So I'm gonna keep OMER here, guys. Looking fantastic. Yes, it is. Yes, already hit a major level resistant around the 12. Might go further up around those level, but for now, yes, it hit a major level of resistance. So I will watch for a pullback right now. This one, guys, Omar just have a news 11 minutes ago. We have a kind of license agreement, asset purchase and license agreement. So this stock, Omar could receive up to total of 2.1 billion, including potential milestone. Holy moly, this is a huge, guys. 2 billion, big news, of course. Yes, I'm watching for a pullback for this one, guys. It's kind of overextended right now, almost 200%. So I will keep it here on the top list with GNPX. Those the top two. George, VNET, you asked me early on our Discord, brother. You asked me about VNET support. The main support is around the 730. Current resistance is the 1180. If we broke it, we have the $16. After the bad earnings, we jumped up back in 21 of August. But if we don't break the 1180 and we broke the 730, I will watch for the 532 bottom. This is for VNET. What else? DFLI jumping. We have three stocks right now that doing fantastic. DFLI, one of them. I'm gonna, yeah, this one, it is doing all right. It's getting nearer. Yeah, the 237 is the current resistant. But now, yeah, it's good. Now is good. If we have a pullback, I will watch for those pullback zone. Yeah. We got COOT, one of the top gainers for today. Yeah, COAT. I will put a third. PFAI, SDOT. Yeah, we got a lot of stocks, guys. VERI, NUAI. You see, we got a pattern here. Many stocks, AI stocks jumping. Many AI stocks are currently jumping. We have a FOMO for AI stocks. I'm gonna take this out. Anyway, so GNPX, guys, was on our top main list for today because, as we said, we already traded it in the pre-market today. It was a really great entry. We always do update, guys, watch lists, stocks every day before the market open on our Discord and Patreon. So we'll put the link for our Hunter channel down below because a lot of you asking how you could join. I will put the link right now and go to reply on one of our elite member questions. Okay, this is our Patreon, guys. Once you join our Patreon, you could have access to our Discord if you don't know how everything works. So now Burrow, any good? Night Trader ask about Burrow. Gonna check for you, brother, right now. Let's see if it's any good. Yesterday 19%, now 9%, so down in total almost 30%. So far, let me just see if we get in near. Yeah, it's kind of correcting after a huge jump. This one, guys, jumped from 15 cents almost to $1. Huge jump. Yeah, it's still good. Yeah, it's still looking great. If we held the 30 cent, we have two support, the 30 cent and 20 cent. Yeah, two supports. Current resistance for it, it is around the 55. If we broke the 55, we might go toward the 75, almost the $1. And the other critical zone, it is around 98 cent. Yes, or 99 cents. So we have 99 cents and 75 cents. So not bad for Burrow, brother. But now it's still going down after this humongous jump that we did. Now it's pulling back. If we reverse from the 30, would be great for exiting around the 55. And if we went toward the 20, better to exit around the 30. So yeah, looking great, brother. Looking great. Let me know if you want the chart for it. If you listening to us in our live streaming, it mean you don't need, you just mark the levels. If you need the visual aid because you are one of our elite members, you can just ask me. I will just send it to you right now. Anyway, GNPX is pulling back. Yeah, pulling back. OMER is still jumping up. Let me just check again if we got other stocks jumping in the pre-market. COOT number one, OMER, SDOT, GNPX, PFAI, True. Okay, we have new stock. True. Wait a second. True. Yeah, true. With the E. Wait up second. What price is this stock? Is around the pre-market is around the 254. So definitely not this stock. So we have two true, guys. The one on the Nasdaq. Exactly. I think is offering, so I'm gonna, yeah, private, yeah, go private. So this stock is go private. It's jumping 70% right now. I will pass on this one, man. I will pass. I will keep my eyes closed on those one. Yeah, today is really pretty active day. Everybody, we have a huge active day today. So GNPX, OMER, COOT are the top three stocks that might do action, and we need action, guys. This is, or that's why you are here. You want action. The action always here with us. We catch stocks for a pullback or reversal. This one, yes, it's pulling back because it's 300%. This one is getting near a really good support, guys, the 350. If we reverse here, would be great at the market open. If we broke, will be not that great. Okay, those the top main list for today. And I think the most active one is OMER because it just came right now. Okay, we got oil, food, unicorn. We got good morning, Anish. Yes, George wishing plug will pull back. Already pulled back, man. So now it's reversing up. It will have a pullback again. Webull for Anish, I will check it out. Um, yeah, everybody talk about COOT, I think. Yes, we already discussed it. Anyway, so plug COOT, yes, so we have the $5 as a resistance on profit taking. Now we've got a support to hold around the 3 or the 294 if we want to have some action at the market open. And I will add another support just in case here around the $3.62. If we held it would be great. Otherwise, we might have a pullback. Plug 3% and now 3% again is getting near the 431, which is the current resistance right now. It did the huge, humongous reversal, guys. What a fantastic reversal. It means there's a big buyer. I'm gonna put support around the 364 just in case we pull back more today. Good morning, everybody. Who's ready? Who's ready for today market? Webull, yes, I forgot about it. Let me just check. Webull is getting near the support bottom around the $10. Now it starts to reverse after almost testing the $10. Yeah, $10.50. We already reversed. 10th of October, 5 days ago, we've tested the bottom kind of. Yes, and now it's reversing up. Webull, watch out for Webull, everybody. Current resistance right now is around 1343. So resistance profit taking for Webull. $10.27 is the bottom, which we reversed from 10 days ago. Now let us go back to GNPX, guys. GNPX looking fantastic at the moment. Looking fantastic at the moment, guys. Yes, and the OMER that might break this current resistance here, guys, around the 1288. If we did, we might have humongous jump toward the 16 at least. OMER, watching it closely with GNPX. Yes, sir. Night Trader, I think he didn't hear me. Okay, I will just do the chart for him. Again, guys, if you are one of our elite members, you could have access, of course, to chart update like this. It will be sent to you directly. It's better if you can't attend the live streaming or you need more updates second by second for the charts, you can join our elite members on our Discord page, and the link comes section below if you want to join. And of course, be on the lookout for the support and bottom update for many stocks, because those stocks you need update second by second for them. Otherwise, you're gonna miss the opportunity. Yeah, we got this level. Yeah, it looked really good. So this is a resistance plus profit taken. Always we do the orange line as a resistance. Sometimes it's profit taken if you want to enter below it, of course. So we got the 55. Yes, this one. Yeah, it looked really interesting and ready for a humongous jump, for my opinion, if we held the 30 cent. So I'm send it here. So we got a little bit of pullback. OMER, guys, looking fantastic, as we said here, around 1288. Checking the market again as a whole. PFAI is kind of tricky, so I'm going to take it from the list. AQMS was really great yesterday, guys. If you remember, guys, this stock we spotted yesterday on our Discord. We did the even chart update for it twice, as you can see here. Once was around the 12, we said the 14, 16, and 19 is profit taken. And before that, we did another update for AQMS back then, once the price was really low. Yeah, best entry I think was back then, I think around where is it? Where is it? But yeah, yesterday was the best hunt for AQMS. Yes, as you can see here, we said the resistance 1246 and then for profit taken out on the 14. And you see, we went until the 39, which is the ultimate target here. AQMS, yeah, this is 19. There's another update for it. We did it, I think, yesterday. Yes, the latest one. The last stock that we traded yesterday, it was AQMS. We said the 23 is the resistant, and after that, 26.70, 32.30, and 39.30 cent. We went until the 39.40 cent, guys. So we just spiked around the 40 cent and we flushed. So this was the really good trade because we spotted this seller, the top seller. It was there. We said 39.30 cents and the price pulled back from there. You see, always take your profit, guys, because if you just hold, you'll be down or you lose 40% from the gain. So yeah, AQMS was really great yesterday. The last trade that we did actually yesterday, as you can see here, around 5:30. Yes, 30, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, 5:30 Central European time, or just 4 hours before the market close for AQMS. So today we're gonna do another updates, guys. Every day there's always opportunity in the market. So if you miss AQMS from yesterday because you are not one of our members on Discord, you can join us today. Always there's opportunity. You have to be there to seize it, otherwise it will pass by you. And then you wish if you could been there. Anyway, so there's no regret here, guys. Always learn from our mistakes. And let's get right to it. We got 1 minute, guys. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button, guys. This is the least you can do to support our channel. Subscribe, guys. Spread the word. Tell everybody that Jesus is alive. And of course, trading the market. Tier Y was the next resistant. I will check it later, but now is focus time. Let's get right to it, everybody who's ready for a green market. Market is open, and open is pushing back down. I think we got some news here. Okay, very DVLI is dot is pulling back down. COOT, GMPX, OMER pulling back a bit. Checking the top gainer list here. Okay, we got this one, that one, aka not yet. APLD 4%, Tesla 2%, and jumping really good. Plug the same. Neo, nothing much, is kind of sideways. Let's check cryptos. Yeah, cryptos is pulling back down a bit. I'm watching Ethereum, guys. We need to hold this support over the 4,000 if we want to reverse. If we broke the 4,000 now, we will be really dicey trade. So if we held the 4,000, we might reverse up. Yeah, because we already reversed almost 18%. Yeah, so we need to hold the 4,000 for Ethereum, guys. I already put alert here. If we broke this level, I'm gonna exit from my position that I opened around this dip around the 3,500. Going back toward the main list, the GMP axis pulling back. Yes, it's correcting down. OMER pulling back. COOT pulling back. S dot, what a nice reversal from the support around the 1060. I think we halted up. So we got C dot, I think it's halted up. OMER, false haltation. What else we got halted? Let's see. I'm gonna check if we got official. Yeah, C dot is halted up. True is got halted and unhalted. But yeah, I'm gonna focus on S dot once the haltation will be over because we got interesting level to test around the 1458. KMX is just a tease, man. Going up and down, nothing much happening here. It's really weak. Weak stock. It's been how much days here? Holy baloney. 20 days and there is no reversal yet. You see, sometimes stocks never recover, guys. Sometimes stocks never recovering, still going down to the depth of the sea. But it's technically getting near a bottom around the 37. Now, yes, if we dipped again, we might dip 14%. But now I'm watching a reversal for KMX because if we reverse, would be a pretty damn good reversal here for KMX. Okay, OMER is pulling back. GNPX is reversing up. COAT is just testing the support, the 3.62. S dot is still halted. DFLI is going toward the resistance, so this one is yeah, stronger right now. The VERI, I'm gonna take it from the list and check other stocks. Might be a good candidate to trade. AQMS, yeah, is pushing back down. Yesterday was really great trade, today not good. So you see, guys, sometimes good stocks will be good, yeah, just the one day and then continue to go down. So the wise thing is to be on the lookout on the weakness and exit very early from those stocks because you waste time by just holding and waiting for them to reverse. GMPX start to reverse, so we got some action here. Let's see your question. Good evening, John. How you doing, brother? Yeah, GNPX looking fantastic. GNPX traverse perfectly here. I'm gonna adjust the support around the 45. We got strong support for GNPX over the 45. COOT have a strong support around the $3.62. Okay, we got a big buyer for KMX right now, guys. A nice buyer. We need to do at least 7% or 8% to confirm a reversal a bit. And the $50 would be the confirmation for a reversal. Ethereum start to reverse, guys. As we said, this is the strongest support right now over the 4,000. If we held it, Ethereum will continue to go up toward 4,300 and 4,500. So far, so good for Ethereum for a reversal. And I think the major reversal zone is the 4,379 to be exact. I will do update for you guys for cryptos on our Discord because we always do update. Last update we did for cryptos was here for Dogecoin when we spotted the bottom entry around the 20. It was really great dip entry because after Dogecoin flushed down 100%, it was good to enter here. Yeah, it was really good for Doge. So we're gonna do another update for Doge and the other stocks. COOT look sexy here. Yeah, COOT looking sexy. 350 top gainer for today. Have a huge resistance around the $5 and strong support around the $3.62. So as long as we hold here would be great. Neo trying to go up here. Unity is reversing up. Nothing much. We don't have any stock doing a new high, guys. You see, there's a pattern here. Most stocks jump in the pre-market, then they die or they pull back after the market open. So this is the pattern. We need to find some stock to hold their gain or doing a new high during the market open. So far, we don't have one. GWAV. I think I took it from the list, brother. It's not that good. GWAV. It was good yesterday. Now it's flashing down and testing a resistance. So watch out for resistance here for GWAV around the 1542 because if we don't break it, would be a sign of weakness. Yeah, around the 1594. Yes, sir. We got a huge resistance for it around the 1594, and then we have the 1970 and 2390. Current support right now is the $11 and the bottom $8.18, but it's not my cup of tea for today. It's a bit light on volume. The action-oriented stock is GNPX, of course, COOT reverse from the $3.60, OMER pulling back toward the 870, which is a nice support. C dots, it could be good if we held now over the 1060. Otherwise, I will watch for the dip here around the 780. DFLI might be great later, but now he's a bit weak on this weaker side. So I'm gonna keep COOT number one now. Yeah, it's getting near the breakout around the 5. Yeah, everybody interested about COOT. Yeah, COOT looking interesting here, but we got a seller around this line. We've got a seller for it. Yeah, not yet. Not yet. Checking. Yeah, it's S dot is started to reverse. I'm gonna put it second now. S dot looking interesting, guys. Watch out. Checking the market again if we got something doing all right. VRI might be good as well. Yeah, it started to reverse from the 762 right now. Mm. We got EVAX jumping toward the 12. Yeah, is about to test strong resistance now around the 1250. But I don't like the technical that much for it. NUAI the same, going to all-time high around the 425. And yeah, the rest is history. Going back here. COOT just found a resistance here. Look at that. Yeah, we have three tests around this level of resistance. If we broke it, we might have the 5. If we didn't, we might have the 360 and the $3. So still not confirmed. The same for S dot, which reverse nicely over the 1060. Have the big seller around the 1466. GMPX holding the support over the 45. Omar is going down a bit, guys. It's overextended. Now is pulling back toward the 870. Yeah, so not bad. Still waiting for a one stock to do something different and break the trend that we are locked up in. The trend is market open, the short controlling the market. So there is the pattern the last few weeks, guys. All the action is better in the pre-market. That's why we always do a pre-market watch list every day before the market open to discuss and trade the market. Today was GNPX, of course, jumped from the 35 until 60, I think. Yeah, or 56. We hit 3 profit taking for it. So this one was in pre-market before the market opened. We discussed on Discord. Now he's pulling back. Look at that. And going up again. 61. It is the price to beat for GMPX. Guys, GMPX is moving. So GMPX, I'm gonna put it second with COOT. GMPX looking great. Okay, let's see if we got anything been halted right now. We don't want to miss anything here. YDKG and EVAX. EVAX is halted up, I think. Um, I will check again if we got a unicorn here. top gainers. Yeah, nothing much is the same as the early list from the market open or in pre-market. We don't have another surprise. So COOT is pulling back because we hit the resistance around the descending channel here. GNPX guys started to moving up, one of the top gainers right now. So GNPX is now turned to be number one stock for today. GNPX is number one. The other one is COOT is a bit overextended around 300. S dot, it is number three because it's still holding the support. OMER is getting near a nice support. Yeah, so going back to GNPX, guys, GNPX looking fantastic. However, need to break the 61 in order to be more a squeezer. Now it's just yeah, a squeeze in the pre-market. The best squeeze was here. We jumped from the 33 until the 61. So we did, I think we did almost 100% or 80%. Now it want to do more. So yeah, let us just deep focus on GMPX. Look fantastic here. So let's see. GMBX is pulling back, guys. COOT still nothing. We have a little bit of pullback in the market, guys. KMX is still holding the gains. We got a nice buyer for KMX finally. Still waiting for the test around the $50. Confirm the reversal. Ethereum want to break the support. I'm watching Ethereum closely here, guys. Yes, it might break the support now. Okay, I think we broke it. Yeah, disappointed. Disappointed here. We kind of broke the support for Ethereum, guys, so we might have another red shift for the market. I would be extremely careful with crypto, guys. Is a bit volatile now. After the huge flush that happened early, we have a big seller. Anyway, COOT, guys, is still okay here. COOT still okay. GMPX is still fantastic. S dot is pulling back. I think it's halted down, guys. S dot. So the only one is GNPX from today, guys. This one is the only one that might give us some action. And the rest is still undecided. Yeah, watching GNPX is getting near the breakouts because the rest of the market is kind of slow and pulling back down, guys. Yeah, GMBX, as we discussed earlier, it was on our watch list for today. The best entry was in a pre-market, for my opinion, around the 35, and we went until the 61. Is that the same? It was good in the pre-market because it was around the 1348. 1348, and now, yeah, 11. So GMPX, guys, preparing to test the 61 or to break from it. Yes, GNPX is fantastic now, guys, because testing a major resistance or profit taking any moment now. Any moment now. Yeah, we have a new breakout. GNPX is breaking, guys. GNPX, it is breaking out big time. What the hell is going on, man? Ethereum is flushing down. What is going on? Anyway, so GNPX, guys, we got a breakout, huge breakout now from our resistance. Want to go toward the 80 cent. Hallelujah. GNPX did a really great job here. Want to go toward the 80. We're gonna do another update for GNPX after we finish our live streaming and give you the other level of profit taken that we might hit for today. But now, yes, we did a really great job on trading GMPX for now. We got 10% right now on this trade. Hallelujah. Great hunt, everybody. So this is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Of course, we're gonna do update for GMPX and the rest of the stocks later on our trading channel and trade on Discord and Patreon. In the meantime, stay blessed, and of course, I will update you about the level later on Discord and Patreon. And don't forget, tomorrow at the same time for our Discord on YouTube, 30 minutes before the market open, we're gonna discuss the other levels or we're gonna go live, of course, to discuss the market 30 minutes before the market open as usual. TMQ, George, TMQ, if it's near the support, it is a bit weak right now. It's 15% down, so it's a bit risky to trade. Near the support, no, the support is around the 735. Oh, it's tested the support already around the 876. This is the first support. If we broke it, we have other support around the 735. But yeah, this is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you a little bit later. If you are one of our Discord members, we're going to update you here on the Unicorn Hunt for the latest update, like what we did yesterday for AQMS and Hunt for a nice jump. AQMS jumped yesterday around 6 p.m. or 4 hours before the market closed or after 2 hours from the live streaming that we did on YouTube. So sometimes the action happen after we finish our live streaming. That's why we're going to continue updating on our Discord and Patreon. In the meantime, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our Hunter channel, of course, to subscribe in order to be notified for our update. George, 10 yet is not 10 yet. Yes, man. That's why we're gonna go on Discord, brother. We're gonna update over there because in live stream it take a lot of my energy, talking a lot, and it's too much for me, using a lot of my energy. I like to contain or maintain this energy to hunt and find the good trade and post them on Discord. It's better. Thank you everybody. Thank you everybody for watching. And as a reminder again, don't forget to subscribe and put a notification on in order to be notified by tomorrow.